Hey guys, this is Ryan here. I'm on my way home from work and about to receive the new citrate-free Humira EpiPen, not the syringe. This is citrate-free, basically meaning that it doesn't have the chemical in it that makes it sting when you inject it. So I can't wait to try that out. I have it at my house, and I'll video that when I get home. Oh, there's the package. Oh yes, so fresh. It doesn't pop. All right, so we made it home. This is the new citrate Humira pen, 29 gauge needle. Shouldn't hurt. It shouldn't, has a smaller needle, so that shouldn't hurt as well. So this is the citrate-free Humira, and let's just go ahead and give it a try and see what happens. Let's just open this. Save this for later. So, looks the exact same. Also, I was reading that there's also less amount of drug in this. I think it's like by half. So there was already, a little bit of drug in the original Humira, but I think in this one it's even less. So that's also good. Oh, one other thing. Fuck. And then I take 10 minutes to meditate. No, I'm just kidding. I don't meditate before this, but probably a good idea too. Okay, so I've never done this on video before, so it's kind of weird. But first, it just says 1 and 2. Take off 1. I'm sure you guys have done this before. Oh, geez. This freaks me out every time. So now it's basically loaded. All I gotta do is press this, and it's good. So I won't get into too much detail over here, but yeah. All right, I really hope this doesn't freaking hurt. I usually have, sorry, this is kind of awkward. I usually have my shirt in my mouth, and I kind of just hold on to it, or I just bite down on it because the pain is really bad. But hopefully I don't have to do it this time and look like an idiot. So let's just give it a go. Oh man, I really don't want to do this. Holy crap, that was amazing. Wow, I didn't feel anything from that. That's amazing. That's really amazing. Wow. All right, so as you can see, the yellow is there. That means the whole thing went through. Wow, that was unbelievable. I didn't feel anything. That's huge. I have, I do this every week, so I'm going to try to update you guys on how I feel with this, but I recommend getting the citrate free as soon as you can. Go see your doctor. I didn't feel anything, honestly. I didn't even feel the needle. So that's amazing. This is a game changer. And yeah, if you guys have any questions about this, please feel free to comment down below and subscribe if you can. That'd mean a lot to me. And that way I just know that I'm interacting with you guys, and having that support system there is really beneficial, and I think we can all look out for each other. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this, and Humira, citrate free, really awesome, didn't feel a thing. Go get it. Thanks, bye.